Lord Fire and Flames? Lord of Ice? Battle! Wait!
What?
This doesn't seem right.
It doesn't?
What do you suppose is wrong?
We should just be friends.
You're right!
This is so fun! You're a true friend.
No! Stop! I hate Hannah Montana!
Yeah, so do I.
But it just fit the moment!
You're a true friend.